What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to split up a file into multiple different files based on a specified last keyword, and we're also able to remove all HTML tags with this code. So for example, I have this large cycling corpus filled with different websites about bicycling around different cities, health impacts, things like that. So as you can see, the documents are separated by doc tags. Let me open this up real fast. Make it a little bigger, zoom in here. If you look a little closer, you can see these doc tags, and then of course there's a bunch of paragraph tags. So go ahead and search up doc tag here. You can see that starts with that and it ends with this one up here. So there's our first little web page, and then our second one starts here, so forth and so on. And this is a huge file. It contains, I believe, 104 different website documents. So really all you have to do is just determine what is the tag that's separating your documents, and then you'd go in here and you'd specify that under line 14 and line 11. So the way this code works is it's first going to ask for your file name. So that's going to be your text file. So you'll input that. And then it's going to be opened and read and encoded in UTF-8. And then the HTML tags are going to be removed. It's going to separate each file and each document into a different document based on that keyword you specified. And then that for loop down here is going to write each file to a different document and split it out. So as you can see over here, I have my original document, 104 documents in one, and after running the code, you can see it splits it into these 102 maybe, not 104. Oh no, 104. And as you can see, we have each document, all the tags are removed, it's cleaned, and it's good to go. So if you're interested in this code, you can access it via the link in the description. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Peace.